You need to get these urgent updates, especially if you're a JAMB candidate. You need to get this urgent JAMB update if you are writing JAMB this year, right? If you are writing JAMB, whether you have registered or you have not registered, whether you have started preparing or not, just give me your ears. Let nothing distract you, because the information I'm about to point out to you here may be something you have been missing. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has disclosed that over 1.5 million candidates, pay attention, pay attention, over 1.5 million candidates has successfully registered to participate in the 2025 UTME exam. Now pay attention. The implication of this is what I want you to get. There is still a lot, but I'll be taking them gradually. The implication of this is that it is not only you that is looking for admission. You are not the only one interested in studying that course you want to study. Then you are not the only one interested in that university. You can see that more than 1.5 million candidates has already registered. That should tell you that there is competition. There is pressure on the few universities we have in the country, in the few polytechnic, in the few colleges of education. Because of that, this year, only those that performs very well in both JAMB and screening for the schools that write screening will stand a chance to gain admission. I don't know if you get my point. Only the individuals that are serious, that write very well, that score high, these are the ones that stands a better chance to gain admission this year. Assuming we had only, let's say, about 500 people registering for JAMB in the whole country, then you could say if just this little number registered for JAMB, then there is greater chance that even those that score 180, 150 out of 400 could be considered for admission. But in a situation where we are, as at the time you are watching this video, JAMB may be approaching 2 million candidates that has registered. So you are dragging for this position with 2 million, or at least as of now 1.5 million other candidates. Now your thought should now be on what will stand you out. What are you going to do that will help you to score high? For all of you that are members of this channel, you know me very well. I've been saying our goal in this Noble Tutorials YouTube channel is simple. Our goal is 300 and above for you. For every follower, I want you to claim it in the comment section. Just type I claim it, and I will not just leave you stranded. I am giving you videos every day. I will make videos for you on the subject. So also at the end of this video, I'm going to give you free materials that will aid you. Like if you need free past question, if you have not gotten free past question to study with, if you have not gotten free JAMB syllabus to study with, and you need me to give them to you, your syllabus is like scheme of work, official, the one that JAMB brought out. If you need them, let me know. I will give them to you if you watch this video till the end, right? So we don't have time. The competition is high. Okay? Now listen. Mr. Fabian, the JAMB spokesman, stated yesterday that the figure aligned closely with the board's projection for the 2025 examination cycle. He further restated that JAMB was not considering extension of deadline. This man also, JAMB is also saying that they are not considering extension. Exam will still hold in April. Registration will still close very soon. So you actually, the second point, apart from the point I made about that there are many people struggling for this admission with you, the second point is for you to be different, you need to know that there is no time, right? There is no time. I keep telling you there will be time to party, there will be time to enjoy, there will be time to travel, there will be time to go out, there will be time to flex. In fact, when you have gotten admission with your 300 in your JAMB, you can flex and enjoy and travel. But within these few days, or weeks we have before exam starts normally, I need you to do what? Do me a favor. Do me a favor by sitting down to prepare. Some people go to lesson centers to waste their time. Of course, they go to socialize, see fine boys, see fine girls. Isn't that true? Haven't you noticed it? But that is not your portion. That is not your goal. Your goal is admission this year, to gain admission this year. That is the goal, nothing else, nothing more. So I don't need you to join them to play. Make good use of this little time we still have. Okay, the timeline are coordinated with other agencies whose operation rely on the completion of our process. Therefore, extending the registration period would disrupt not only the boss plan but also those of our partner. The deadline has been clearly communicated. JAMB is saying that they have clearly communicated all their deadline in all the adverts and official calendar for the 2025 UTME exam exercise. We wish to inform all prospective candidates that there will be no extension of the registration period. Did you hear this? There is no extension of registration. They have not shifted the time that JAMB will be written. There is no extension of the registration period. I am re-emphasizing this for some of you that is still dragging feet with your registration. If you have not registered, there is no extension. There is no extension to registration. This notice is particularly important given the recent decline in the number of candidates registering for the exam. We urge candidates who wish to participate in the UTME to register immediately and avoid waiting till the last minute. You know, we in this part of the country, we like in this part of the world, we often prefer rush hour, deadline. Now you still have time. We still have barely few days to the end. Go and register. Go and finalize your registration. If you're having any issue, any problem with registration, please get back to me immediately. Tell me the issue you're having and we'll solve it together. Right? I won't leave you until you give me 300 and above in your JAMB. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Nothing will stop you. He also encouraged candidates to complete their registration as soon as what? Possible, adhering to the established timeline for the 2025 UTME. Recall that the registration period for the 2025 UTME began on February 3rd. It was supposed to start in January, but it was shifted to February 1st, then they eventually shifted it to February 3rd, right? And the registration will conclude by 8th of March 2025. Do you know the recommended novel for JAMB this year? Do you know? If you don't know, let me know. If you know, mention it in the comment section. Recall that I said anywhere you have issues, talk to me, right? If you want me to send you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, just do these 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see an option to join. Click on it. Just follow the prompts and join our YouTube channel. Very crucial, very compulsory. Number 2, like this video. Just click on like. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share it on WhatsApp. Copy the link. Post it on all the WhatsApp groups you belong to. All the Telegram channels you belong to. All the Facebook groups for JAMB candidates. Then, when you have shared this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Now, when you have done this, join our YouTube channel. When you have liked, when you have shared, when you have subscribed, then finally come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up, then know what you need me to send to you, and I will send them to you immediately. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. I want you to click on it immediately and watch.